As for the daughters, we all know the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. Mother Aisha says, a woman came to me asking for food, and I had nothing. Imagine if you go to your home and you have nothing in your home to eat except one date. This is the house of the Prophet ﷺ. Mother Aisha says, I had nothing in the house except for one date. So this woman took it, split it into two halves, gave each daughter these two halves, and she left. She told the Prophet about this ﷺ and how amazed she was. At least ate quarter of it. What would a date do? Yet she divided it between her two daughters. So the Prophet said ﷺ, anyone who takes care of daughters and treats them kindly, they will be a shield for him against the fire. The Arabs, before the Prophet ﷺ, and this is mentioned in the Quran, when they were blessed by a baby child, female girl, they would wait until she's 7 years of age, 8 years of age, take her away and bury her alive. They would kill her. Why? Because women are a disgrace. She will tarnish my reputation. I'm a father. I have 13 girls, alhamdulillah. No boys. That's why I'm growing a uterus at the moment. May Allah make it easy. So a father would feel disgraced. My daughter ran away with a man. My daughter got married to a good boy and he divorced her. I feel ashamed. So the Arabs used to kill them and get rid of them. In Islam, it's different. The Prophet says, these girls are your shield from fire on the Day of Judgment. If you take care and raise them well, treat them with kindness and love, get them married to someone who fears Allah, and they would both make a good family, a nucleus to a good society. If the woman is righteous and good, the whole community will be righteous and good. Because one woman is more important than 100 men, and she would carry the religion on her shoulders.